Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It really does mean so much to me. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so, and please remember to click the thumbs up button or the like button for me. It really does help my channel, and as many of you know, I am working really hard at making this a success. And I really do appreciate all of the likes, all of the subscribers. You all really mean so much to me. And today I am going to show you what I got. It is the Allure Beauty Box. This is the special edition box. I wasn't going to get this until I saw the products in here. This box, if you're if you subscribe to Allure, I think it was $30, I think. But the one product in here that I've been wanting to try, I've heard really good reviews about, I think it was like $34 for the one product. So let me show you what's inside. So you open it up, and it is, you know, the boxes, the hard boxes that you can save if you want to. They are really hard cardboard, and it looks like this. So you open it up, and I will show you the one item. I have been wanting to try this. I have heard really good reviews. Is it pronounced Elta MD? It is a UV clear broad spectrum SPF of 46. Let's see if you can see it. This is a full size. Like I said, I've heard a lot of people that just love this stuff, and sunscreen is one of those things that I put on even when I'm not going anywhere. It is, as we get older, it's even more important, but even as you're younger, this is so important so that you don't have problems as you get older. And I looked that up, and that is, let me find it for you. Well, where did it go? It's like it went away. Okay, well, I know it was either $32 or $34 for that one. And then we got this cute little hair tie here, which is, I know that's just a cheap little thing, but it's still one of those products that are good to have around when if you got long hair. And then this Natasha Denona eyeshadow. It's just a single eyeshadow. I think this is a color I've already had. Pretty sure. I'll show you, but I won't swatch it because pretty sure this is going in a giveaway. So there's that. That's, I know even the samples of these can be rather expensive. There's no price on here. It does say that this box is $175 value, but there's not individual prices, so I looked them up. Or looked up the full size because you can't really find prices on samples. But this is the Kevin Aucoin. I'm actually not sure how you say his name. Is it Kevin Aucoin? It is the Glass Glow Face Illuminator. And this one I did find, and it's on here. I think it was, let me go look. It was $34, I do believe. This one was. That one, this was on the Sephora website. I did find it, and it was, I think this retailed for $34. Let's see this. It has this kind of little, I've only tried, I think, one other Kevin Aucoin product. Let's shake it up here. I don't know if this is going to be too dark for my skin. I want to see, is it a highlighter? What is this? It says illuminator, but I'm not sure if that is same thing as a highlighter. I was thinking so. well, can't get it to come out. Okay, we'll come back to that. That's not wanting to work. I'll come back to that in a minute. And then I got which everybody probably knows about these. This is it, So de Janeiro. I actually like the one in the greenish blue tub better. I know most people don't. They like this one. This one is a bit strong for me. I do like this one, but I like the other one. It's just a little bit slighter smell. But this does smell so good. I know I can't really show you through there, but it is a lotion. Of course, that is the smaller one. I'm thinking these were, I read somewhere that just these little things right here were still rather expensive for this little bitty tube. Not tube, the little bitty jar. And then I got the Super Berry Hydrate Glow Dream Mask. Youth to the People. This is 0.54 ounces. This is a vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. Of course, it's really small too, but looks really nice in there. It would still probably be enough to use to see if you'd like it. It's kind of a thick, I think I like that. Yeah, I want to use this. I might try this like around my eyes or something, since they're so, it's an overnight mask. I know I've heard Youth to the People can be kind of expensive too, and I was really glad to get this one. This one, let's see, this I found, and it is, let's see, what did it say? $39. This is $39. It is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I really like the Banana Bright Face Primer, so I'm eager to try this. This is a vitamin C and collagen boosted brightening eye cream, so I am eager to try this. Like I said, I really did like, you see it kind of looks like a real light colored pumpkin or something. But I'm eager to try this, and I know it doesn't look like a lot, but you know, for your eyes this will last a really long time because it doesn't take much. So I am happy to try this. I will probably start trying this tonight, like I need to open another eye thing, but I really did like the Banana Bright the Banana Bright Primer. And then I got They're Real Benefit. This will also go in a future giveaway because I have some of those. I haven't opened them, but I have at least one. And then I got the Moroccan oil, I think. Okay, this is for hair. I had one of these, and I actually used it on my cuticles. I think that I really liked that on my cuticles. And I mean, it's so much in there. For your hair it might not last a long time, but no real obvious smell, but for your cuticles that lasts a long time. And then I got, I think this is the last thing, it's the e.l.f. Gentle Peeling Exfoliant with purified water, licorice and papaya. This is 3.4 full ounces, so I assume this is a full size too. Yeah, that has to be full size. Look how much it has in it.
Hi guys.
So I think that is a pretty good box. This is the limited edition. Hold on, so I don't know if it's still available. So we got Levi. I got this the So de Janeiro lotion, the Super Berry Hydrate Glow Dream Mask, the Kevin Aucoin illuminator. I'm going to have to keep working with that, so if I can get that working. And the Moroccan oil, the Banana Bright eye cream, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow, the Elta MD SPF. Is that it? I think that is it. So I think that was a really good box for, oh yeah, and the little hair tie. Okay, Levi, hurry up and show them real quick, because I got to do some more. I'm going to have to keep working on this one. He wants to show you all his new Legos he's been working on.
I made a truck go on the back, and there's a winch with a hookup. It winches up the bed, and I made this trailer. You fold it down like that, and it goes up there like that, and so you can make the bed longer, extend the bed. So
I'm going to keep working on this.
Fully made out of Legos.
See if I can figure this out. Oh, it finally came out. There it is. Okay. I just have to pump and pump and pump till it came out. That would probably, it feels rather thick to be a highlighter, but that would probably be really good mixed in. See how, can you see how it, there's no real color when you blend it out, but it does have a glow. I think that would be really pretty mixed in with foundation. I will have to try that and give that a more thorough review now that it finally pumped out. So there is my Allure Special Edition. I think this is the second special edition one I've gotten, and I like their special edition boxes. So there is that. Thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.